Rose is a New Zealand singer based in South Korea. Full name Park Chae-young. She was born on 11 February 1997 in Auckland, New Zealand to South Korean immigrant parents. She has an older sister. In 2004, at the age of 7, Rose and her family moved to Melbourne, Australia. She began singing and learned to play guitar and piano as a child and performed in church choirs. In 2012, 16-year-old Rose attended an audition in Australia for South Korean record label YG Entertainment at her father's suggestion and was ranked first among 700 participants. The same year, Rose was given an opportunity to feature on label mate G-Dragon's song Without You of his episode One of a Kind. The song peaked at number 10 on South Korea's Gaon Music Chart and at number 15 on the Billboard Korea K-pop Hot 100. Rose trained at YG Entertainment for 4 years before her announcement as a member of Blackpink in June 2016. The group debuted in August 2016 with the single album Square One, which produced the lead singles Whistle and Bombaya. As a solo artist, she has featured in label mate G-Dragon's 2012 track Without You, which peaked at number 10 on the Gaon Digital Chart. On 2 June 2020, YG Entertainment announced that Rose would debut solo in 2020 following the release of Blackpink's first studio album. On 30 December 2020, in an interview with South Korean media outlet Naver, Rose revealed that filming for her debut music video would begin in mid-January 2021. The singer has also appeared on a variety of broadcast programs such as music shows Kings of Masked Singer and Fantastic Duo 2. Her vocal performance on King of Masked Singer was met with a warm reception by the audience, to which Rose commented that she didn't know if the audience would like singing and that she felt happy and relieved at the positive result. Rose later appeared as a performer on the second season of Fantastic Duo. The show's production staff stated that her appearance was intended to reveal Rose's vocal appeal, which is different from Blackpink. Since 2018, she has appeared on the Korean Business Research Institute's Female Celebrity Brand Reputation List, a chart that tracks Korean celebrities with the most online searches and engagements, and previously reached the top 10. In October 2019, Rose was revealed as a promotional model for the Perfect World Entertainment's MMORPG Perfect World Mobile.